Hi students, welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, finance, discount, profit and loss, interest and tax. Now let us learn about simple interest. Banks in Europe, America, Japan and many other places in the world will pay you money if you place your savings with them. They will also lend you money but will charge you to do so. The amount of money that you save or borrow is called principal. The amount paid or charged by the bank is called interest. The interest paid on money saved depends upon the amount of the principal, the amount of time you are prepared to leave it in the bank, and the rate that the bank pays in percentage terms. The formula for calculating simple interest is I is equal to PTR over 100, where I is the interest paid by the bank, P is the principal, T is the time in years, R is the rate per year or percentage. Again, look at the formula. I is equal to PTR over 100. Now we are going to solve some problems using the formula I is equal to PTR over 100. Find the simple interest earned on a deposit for $100 saved for 3 years at a rate of 5% per year. From the question we can write the deposit for $100. That means the principal P is equal to $400 saved for 3 years. The time T is 3 and at the rate of 5% per year. Rate R equal to 5%. We want to find out simple interest I. Use the formula I is equal to PTR over 100. Substitute all the values in the formula. I is equal to 400 multiply 3 multiply 5 over 100. We get I is equal to 6000 over 100. It is 60. So the simple interest paid is $60. Calculate the interest paid in the given problem. This question from your student book, page number 150, exercise 15.2a. Here directly given principal $500, time 2 years, rate 3%. That means P equal to $500, T 2 years, R 3%. We want to find out the simple interest I. Use the formula I is equal to PTR over 100. Substitute the values. I is equal to 500 multiply 2 multiply 3 over 100. Then we get I equal to 3000 over 100. It is 30. So the simple interest paid is $30. The next question, how long will it take a principal of $200 to earn simple interest of $80 at 8% per year? From the question we can write the principal P equal to $200 and simple interest I equal to $80 at 8% per year. That means R equal to 8%. T is missing. We want to find out T. Use the formula I is equal to PTR over 100. Substitute the values. So 80 equal to 200 multiply T multiply 8 over 100. We get 80 equal to 16T. To find out T, divide 16 on both sides. So 80 divided by 16 equal to T. 18 divided by 16 is 5. So we get T equal to 5. Therefore, it will take 5 years. The next question, calculate how many years it will take to earn the given amount of interest in the given problem. This question also from your student book, exercise 15.2a. Principal $200, rate 5%, interest $30. That means P equal to $200 or 5%, I $30. T is missing. Use the formula I is equal to PTR over 100. Substitute the values. 30 equal to 200 multiply T multiply 5 over 100. So we get 30 equal to 10T. To find out T, divide 10 on both sides. 30 divided by 10 equal to T. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So T equal to 3. Therefore, it will take 3 years. Students, now you learn how to find out the simple interest with the formula I equal to PTR over 100. I hope all you understood how to do. You have some more question in your student book, page number 150, exercise 15.2a. Do all the questions in your notebook. Thank you.